Hi guys. So today, okay, wait, hold on. Yes, my hair is colored. It's lighter. I'm loving it for now. I do like my hair dark, so I may change within 2 months. But right now, I'm out of breath. But right now, for fun, for summertime, why not go a little lighter? I wouldn't say blonde. I guess a little blonde. I love it. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created this look with a new palette by Anastasia, Novina palette. This palette, oh my god, I love it, love it, love it. It has the suede just like the pink one. All of them are pretty much the same, I think. Do I have them up there? But anyway, yeah, I'm super excited guys. Just one thing, and you guys will see it in my my video. One of the shades came shattered. The lighter one, this one right here, and you are going to be able to see my reaction because when I opened it, it was the first time me opening the palette, and it was broken. But anyway, and I also wanted to create this video because I am doing a collab giveaway with two of my really good friends on Instagram and on here. So all the rules will be on my Instagram guys, but you definitely have to subscribe to my channel here. If you're not already a subscriber, you have to subscribe to both the girls. I will link their names here, and yeah, you have to subscribe to their channel and then head on over to Instagram, and then all the other rules will be on there. Yeah, but if you want to watch how I created this look guys, then please stay tuned. Oh, it's gonna be silent because my son's here. It is summertime guys, so it's going to be silent. It's just showing you guys. I just wanted to create this video so I can give you guys a chance to enter my giveaway. I would love if you guys stay all the way to the end. That would be great. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for my video. I hope that you guys enjoy this video and head on over to my Instagram and follow all the rules. There's There's gonna be 3 pictures on my Instagram. It just looks better on my feed. But you can follow the rules and tag the girls or your friends on any of the 3 videos. I couldn't get it out, guys. And make sure that you follow both the girls. I will link both the girls here. You need to follow them on here, and you need to go over there, Instagram, and also follow them on there, okay? And let them know that you are coming from here, yeah? Also, the date, I believe, is posted on my Instagram. I'm not even gonna put the date here, and I will announce the winner on my Instagram. It's very easy doing that for me. Plus, when someone wins, they can at least DM me and send me their address, and I know that it's not false, because usually if I try to do like an email, anyone can email me and I will never know if it's them or not. So I'm just trying to be fair. So if you don't have an Instagram, guys, that is hard, guys. That is very hard, because it's very easy for someone to imitate that they're you if you win on here. So yeah, I apologize if I'm not including you guys, if you're not following me on Instagram. I've tried in the past to do giveaways that weren't kind of connected to this channel or that channel, yeah, but it's just not working for me, guys. It's just, I don't want to send a palette to someone that it wasn't supposed to be sent to that person just because they're just being mean or thieves. To me, that's a thief. Alright guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please thumbs it up, please comment, and please do not forget to subscribe, and please head on over to my Instagram. But before you go over there, follow me on here, follow the 2 girls on here, and then head on over. Okay, love you guys so much. I'll see you guys again, hopefully within 2 to 3 days, otherwise next week sometime. Well, it will be next week, right?